This is a Lego Star Wars collection. They were built by my son Dylan. These are all assembled. Most have instructions. There are a few things you're going to pick up that are not Lego Star Wars, but everything's being sold as the Lego Star Wars, except for, well, not Lego Star Wars, it's all being sold in the same price. $14.95. That's all this stuff here. The only thing that's not in, including these little guys, the only thing that's not in is the like they call it the space stuff. It's the Discovery launch rocket and a space lab. I have that priced separately. Those are the only items that are not included. Everything else here is going at the $14.95. All these things you see. Some of them are Bionicles, but the majority of them are the Lego Star Wars. Now he has extra pieces here. Those are the minifigs. And then we have 3 drawers here of pieces. Now there's a couple unassembled ones in there that the instructions are here. These would be the instructions for some of the unassembled ones that would be in there in pieces, and some of them he actually used to make up these things he was just making up on his own. So you got this tank and this, I don't know what it is, but these also have Star Wars parts. So again, so it's this, all the stuff on these shelves, all the way through here, everything down on the floor, all the extra pieces out here in these bins, and then all those Bionicles, and all these small pieces here, and then these pieces here called racers and all that stuff. And the only thing that is separate, that I've got priced separate, is the Space Lab stuff in Discovery. Alright, so, oh yeah, and there's also a Lego Soccer Land thing that we're just going to put in with it. Alright, so hopefully this video comes out better than the last one since we have better lighting. Yep. That's all the Bionicles there. So, the ad will be up on Craigslist